Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. And today is delivery day on this beautiful 2019 F150 Supercharged with the XR4 package. Enjoy. That's right folks, it is delivery day on this beautiful 2019 Ford F150 that Donnelly Ford Custom went to town with. Now you'll see a more in-depth video on this on my channel, but this is just a quick walkthrough of the delivery day. So again, this started off with the XR4 package, which gets you the 4-inch lift kit, the 17-piece body kit, the 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires with the 20-inch fuel rims. So that is a beautiful start. We also have the XR4 decal on the back. And again, you'll see the 17-piece body kit runs all the way around the vehicle. Then we went ahead and added some performance to this vehicle. That's right, we supercharged this with the Stage 1 Roush supercharger, so it is fully compliant with Ford's warranty. Then we stepped it up even further and went with the adjustable exhaust. So check this out. I'll go ahead and remote start the vehicle. And it is currently in quiet mode. But if I go and reach in here, you'll see there's a little button just down here that I flip over and it puts it into loud mode. So now let's hear that exhaust. That's right folks, that sounds absolutely beautiful. And the nice thing about the adjustable exhaust is if you don't want to wake your neighbors up, you just shut it down and then turn it on only when you really want it to go. So again, a couple more shots of this. We'll have the customer driving the vehicle off our lot for the first time. And again, that bittersweet feeling of seeing this vehicle deliver. So hope you enjoyed it. And again, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Let me know if you have any questions on this vehicle or anything like it, and we can certainly set you up with that information. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.